Hey guys, so I am transforming the front area into a fall theme, and I started off with campfire. I took a cutting of campfire over there. Then I have a mums from last year. I have a extra coleus that I've been growing, a cutting of campfire, as well as a cutting of this red coleus, which is tucked in right here. Another mums that I overwintered from last year. And here is the red coleus, which I'm hoping will kind of like stand up straight. Some salvias. The original setup, which I've had, incorporated with this vine in the front, and the red and the oranges peeking through as like an accent. The dahlias, which are struggling with the rain that we've been having for 3 to 4 weeks every day. So I'm really hoping that they can pull through and hold up. And it looks really good because it like fills in this area. And then another mums that I overwintered, so I plopped that right here. And the hibiscus is about to rebloom. It is full of buds, and it just to kind of fill in this space right here. But that's what it's looking like. The salvias are still going. Some of them are flopping really bad, but that's okay. And I just can't wait until these mums bloom. And here are the marigolds. The hibiscus is about to rebloom, and hopefully I can redo the hanging baskets for over there, add a mums in there, add a cutting of the coleus in there, and add a creeping Jenny to go with the purple potato vine. And then up top is the window box, so the potato vine is definitely coming through. The petunias are kind of fading out, but the vincas are showing out. And this is what it looks like right now. So when fall comes and the pansies are out, the pansies will definitely be matching the orange and red colors. And I will just keep some of like the statement potato vine, seed them, and maybe keep the vincas. So this is how it's going. And the tropical bed area got an extra additional added feature. So I popped in some zinnias, popped in some Gerber daisies. This dahlia is still trying to bloom. It's been crowded by this banana. I added some more zinnias, some more Gerber daisies, and another one, the dahlias, and some more zinnias. And the gladiolas are done, but the zinnias are very, very pretty. Got some really big ones, some small ones. So just by putting the Gerber daisies, they add some red just to kind of highlight this area. I might try to redo the edging right here since it's been raining a lot. Do some weeding and leave it as it is. So I think this looks really nice. Like from this angle, you see this red, it catches your eyes. You keep looking, you see that red. Then you see this red and the green catches your eyes. So I like looking at my garden from different angles. Then this happened. All the way to the end. I gotta take this out. So after all of that fiasco, I finally decided to come back out and do a tour. So that is the hibiscus that's finished blooming. And here's the other one on the left side. And it is just full of flowers. And I just put some pumpkins on the steps. And up top, I just added the mums and creeping Jenny. And over here, I have my dahlias. They are so big. They are at least 6 feet tall. And here are the coleus that grew. They've put some size on. And the petunias have fizzled out, but everything in the front looks amazing, especially with the fall colors. And that's just the right side, and everything looks great. I am pleased with how the front area has turned out. And I'm just ready for the fall to come so that I can get my pansies in the ground and my tulips.